Welcome, dear crafter. Today we are exploring the beauty of jute and burlap handmade crafts. Beautiful felt craft, beautiful soft ornaments, handmade craft, quite creative and deeply mindful. These crafts combine natural textures, recycled materials, and simple techniques to make your Xmas decor warm, rustic, and full of heart. In this video, you will learn how to create beautiful jute and mixed material decoration, from small trees and ornaments to cozy table pieces, all with that natural handmade touch. There's something truly magical about handcrafted creations made from jute and burlap. The rough yet soft textures of burlap adds an earthy charm, while jute twine connects us to nature's simplicity. When you mix materials like wood, felt, lace, or paper, the result becomes even more beautiful and expressive. This is the art of mixed handcrafting, blending texture, layering materials, and turning simple items into artistic pieces. It's quick, affordable, and perfect for anyone who wants to make something meaningful this Xmas. So, whether you are a housewife or crafters, you can make something beautiful. This is the art of mixed handcrafting, blending texture, layering materials, and turning simple items into artistic pieces. It's quick, affordable, and perfect for anyone who wants to make something meaningful this Xmas. Let's talk about the mindfulness of crafting. As you wrap the jute, glue the layers, or decorate with small pine cones, you enter a quite peaceful space. Each movement becomes slow and thoughtful, helping your mind to relax and your heart to focus. Handcrafting is not just about decorating, it's about crafting with presence. When we use burlap and jute, their natural tones remind us to simplicity and calm, perfect balance to the busy holiday season. You can make so many beautiful things with these materials: mini jute, Xmas trees with burlap wrapping. These are tiny ornaments decorated with lace and twine, rustic candle holders wrapped in jute, gift stacks, and recycled paper crafts tied with burlap bows. In this video, we have shared the beautiful idea. Mix and match wooden buttons, small fabric flowers, or gold threads for a festive glow. Every small item becomes a masterpiece when it's made by your hands, filled with love, patience, and creativity. So the best part, these crafts are quick and easy to make. In just a few minutes, you can create something beautiful. No fancy looks, no fancy tools, or expensive materials needed. They are perfect for DIY decor, gifting, or even selling at holiday markets or online craft stores. And the process itself is refreshing. When your hands stay busy, your mind finds peace. That's the beauty of mindful crafting. It heals, relaxes, and fills your space with calm and creativity. So this Xmas, decorate your home with the natural beauty of jute and burlap. Celebrate creativity, mindfulness, and the joy of handmade art. Each jute wrap, each knot, each decoration carries your energy, your personal touch of love. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the warmth that comes from something made by you. So have you watched these designs and ideas are very interesting and unique and beautiful. So have you enjoyed these ideas and designs?
मिक्स कर रहा हूँ नहीं कर रहा हूँ
So have you enjoyed these ideas and designs? We have shared something amazing and beautiful ideas. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, be a part of this journey. If you love natural handmade crafts, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. For more cozy DIY inspiration, stay creative, stay calm and let your heart shine through every handcrafted creation this X-Mix. So the X-Mix decorate your home with the natural beauty of jute and burlap. You can make many additions, celebrate activity, mindfulness, and the joy of handmade art. Each wrap, each note, each decoration carries your energy, your personal touch, your love, your mindfulness. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed. Have a very nice day. God bless you all. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Stay blessed. God bless you all. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness.